So what are we looking at, Steve?
Waterfalls. Big waterfalls.
That's it? You don't know the names? You got the map out.
The only name, you can't tell which is which.
Alright. Alright, so we're now at, what did I say, 5,500 feet?
Yep.
Roughly 5,500 feet. We had a good little area back there, a lot of switchbacks. We've probably gained 500-foot elevation, roughly.
From where we were?
Yeah, 500-600?
More than that.
Okay, 800, maybe 1,000. I'm talking like at the base. I mean, we were slowly doing a slight incline, and then we reached a point where we really started hitting the switchbacks. But anyways, from the previous views, little area right here, got a really awesome lake, and in the background you're going to see 3 incredible waterfalls. Obviously, different distances.
Atsina Lake.
What's it called?
Atsina.
Oh, this is
Lake.
Atsina Lake. So it's August 25th, 11:50, Thursday, Montana time. Big Sky Country.
So want to see where we're going, what the route we're taking?
Want
to see the route we're taking?
Like on the map? Sure.
So we just came up these switchbacks to Atsina Lake. We're going to cut around the lake and switch back up that, and then wrap around the top of those falls, all the way back around over here, and Stony Indian Pass is back to our right.
So right,
we have more switchbacks. So we're actually going to go around. You can barely see that.
Still up there somewhere on the other side. Cool.
There should be some glaciers up there.
All right. So got some more hiking to do. See you guys in a little bit.